Yes, I'm back. Oh. Look who's here. This is the monkey making a noise. Hey, come on, little one. No, no, no. Out of there. Come on. You want that to be your basket. Okay, I've just got to take some electronics out of there. It's not a good thing. So, just give me a minute, people, and I will fix this. Right, so I have removed the cat from the basket, because that's where I keep all the cables for charging all my various bits and pieces. And let's start again. Hello and welcome back, and more to the point, welcome me back, because yes, I've been missing. I'm fine. Let's just say I've had, I think there's a kid's book when my children were little called The No Good, Very Bad, Horrible Day. Or let's just say I've had sort of a week of, 2 weeks of that, 3 weeks. First, it was my older son moving to Zambia with his family and my grandbaby. Did I mention my grandbaby? So yeah, that was a pretty busy few weeks to, you know, sort of be around them as much as I could, and I didn't feel great when they left, so that sort of wiped out a week. And then something else happened that sort of not, it's not enough of my business to talk about, and I probably wouldn't anyway. And you know I don't talk about other people's business. So let's just say it's been a no good, very bad, horrible month. So apologies, I'm back, I'm fine, I'm healthy, and I am just about, it's Good Friday, so everything's closed, of course, and so I'm about to go and have coffee with a friend of mine and her little girl, because we thought a walk in the sunshine and coffee would be lovely on this perfect Easter weekend here in Melbourne. If you're new to my channel, I'm Deirdre, and this I think will be a vlog mainly about getting my tip of a house back to normal. It's not dirty, it's just untidy and a bit neglected. Plus I have, as I showed you, I have my little friend staying with me. So Aslan is currently staying with grandmother at the moment. He's a grand kitty, and yeah, he's visiting for a while. And yeah, let's get on with the day. Okay, let's get going. It's walking, which is nice, because it is a startlingly fabulous day. Oh, I guess I've got to get the leaf blower out too. Here we go. And we are wearing the same clothes. This is so cute. So here we are, my friends. Look at this for a day. It's autumn, obviously, here in the southern hemisphere. But we're just heading off to walk to a really nice cafe and have a beautiful day. And gosh, look at this. This is the almost late autumn now, so, or late April, not autumn, but it is autumn, and we're getting days. We had a day of 30 yesterday, and 30 degrees Celsius, and it's another beautiful day today. And I know this is global warming, or climate change, or whatever it is. Right now it feels pretty good. There's a puppy. Right, this is one of my favourite local streets. You can't think why, can you? I mean, how lovely is that? Just beautiful. Anyway, that was just to show you a glimpse of how perfect the day is and how pretty the street. Now soon all of these leaves will be gone, and there will be leaves everywhere, which I will come and gather and make leaf mulch with. But enough of that. Right, well that was quick. I didn't talk to you in the cafe because my girlfriend is a bit camera shy, quite reasonably, and some people are, some people aren't, doesn't matter. And it was so noisy. Aslan, that's the cat. So it was really noisy and wouldn't have been able to hear a thing anyway. So yes, we had a quick breakfast, and that was very nice. Now I just have to deal with my house. This is not acceptable. To go into Easter with my house dirty is, well, not dirty, as I said, just untidy, isn't good. I've just got a few things I have to get done, but what I wanted to say that I'm going to do, look at this. This is my naughty monkey. Come on. I know you want to go out there. Look, that plant is so desperately in need of watering. They all are, but he just wants to get out. And he doesn't. He's not allowed to, because he will just slip between those rails. And because he's not my cat, I don't have it set up so that, you know, he can't get between them. Yes, so he wants to slip between the rails and walk out across a little wall that's out there and then jump down and run away. Or go out and play with all the other cats who live around here. But yes, so he's not allowed to do that. There you are. Hello. Say hello. Meow meow. You being a good boy. Oops. Yes, have to keep you in focus. Right. So, now what I wanted to say was that in the next, well, it was going to be all of April, but as I said, stuff happens. So, for the rest of April, I'm going to be back and I'm going to be decluttering again. Well, actually, not even just decluttering, but continuing my downsize. Because I moved just over a year, and well, it's nearly 2 years now, coming up to 2 years. And there were lots of things that I still have that I thought, well, if I don't use them or don't want to put them out or whatever in the next year, I'll know that I could get rid of them. Only it's been nearly 2 years, so it's definitely time to have a good sort through, see what else I can take away. I've got used to living in an apartment. I sort of understand now what I need, what I don't need. Also, that it's, even though I think because I have now so many plants that I didn't have before, and I would never say plants are clutter, but on the other hand, they do take visual space in a good way. Because of that, perhaps, as well, though, that I want to sort of keep other parts of my home more, what should I say, more simple and not minimalist. As you all know, I'm not a minimalist, but simple. So it's they still are there, and I have things that I enjoy around me, but it will make it a little more simple, so that the plants can have their place without filling up the place. And also, I think after a few years, I sort of need to change things around. I think that's a good thing, to give yourself a fresh perspective on the things that you do own that you don't want to get rid of, that you will keep, and sort of see them in a different way by moving them or recycling them, a bit the way you do with baby's toys. You can see I've been out with the baby this morning, so and I whispered her. She was getting cross, so I said, come on, I'll take her. So I still have baby whispering abilities, apparently. I got her to fall asleep on my shoulder, which is rather nice. Nothing is nice as the feeling of a small child sleeping on your shoulder, you know, holding onto your shirt and sleeping, and just trusting you to sleep on your shoulder. I think that's lovely. So that's one, you know, that's sort of where I'm aiming to go in April, with a series of videos doing just that, sort of room by room. Right now I just need to get it somewhat tidy, and I won't even go into my study, but that's one thing. And yeah, it's also clean as I go. Make sure I do a good deep clean, because I haven't forgotten about my zone cleaning. It still gets done, but a lighter version of perhaps what is needed, simply because life gets in the way. No, not gets in the way. Life is life. No, that's it. But yeah, so I hope you'll come along as I do that over the next few weeks. I'll try very hard to do a lot more videos. Well, I couldn't do fewer, could I, than I've done in the last couple of weeks. Right, before we start though, I'm just sitting here, I'm looking out at this beautiful ginkgo tree that's on, not my property side, but the one on the other side of that. And it is stunning. I want you to show you now that the cat isn't. Yes, he is. Look at that, quick as a flash. He's at the door. Look at that. I want to come out too. Let me out. I do not trust him, but look at this. Look at that. Can you see that colour on that tree? Isn't it beautiful? Such a fabulous time of the year. That is amazing. This is the best time of the year, I think, for that. My little garden. This is the one that needs watering desperately. The Easter bunnies are here. They came from Central Otago in New Zealand, recycled from this old corrugated roof somewhere along the line. I like my bunnies. And yes, here is the new fence. Well, you know, I've been desperate for that. So that now is all done, and we can get it all sorted and tidy again, and perhaps a new garden along here. Anyway, so there we are. We've got the normal trees, but this beautiful autumn colour is coming. That's spectacular. Okay, step one, I'll just tidy these things up. Little cat is here, smooching my pens and things. I'll leave his blanket here in the window where he can sleep and look out of the window, because it's a bit rough on him otherwise. He's used to being a little bit more free than he is here. And all of this is fine. I've just got to get it tidy. I probably need to dust. And in here I've got things to cook. Whoops. And once again, as I said, it's okay. It's just, I know there's things I have to cook. This is tidy, that's fine. That's just waiting to go back down. That's my chamois for my car. Just washed it and soaked it a little bit so it's nice and wet, and I'll put it back in its special package in the car, which is actually something incredibly simple, like a Ziploc bag that keeps it damp, so I can use it when I go to the car wash. And everything else is pretty much, it's okay. It's just, I'll show you what isn't okay. Well, I'll make my bed. There's a crazy cat. Just ignore that. I'll make my bed, put my shoes away. This room is untidy. Okay, so that's one. Then you ready? This is my study. Ha ha ha. I've got stuff everywhere. It isn't actually as terrible as it looks, but it does look dreadful. I've got things from my son. My son, because he's now in Zambia. Things that were his are his. His violin's here, for goodness sake. I've got his cat bag. I've got stuff that he left, and I will deal with. Yes, okay. That's problem zone. But everywhere else, I've got washing to fold. I've got washing to put on. Cat's got his bed. He likes being up, so he's sitting on the sofa at the moment. I just need to fluff pillows and things. That's easy. And in here, I've got this is because it suddenly got cold, and I don't want to put the heating on, because it's a bit early to put heating on. It's only April, so I've just got a doona that I snuggle in when I watch TV. I've got to tidy this. I've got this and steam this. This is the clean. You wouldn't believe it. It's my clean cover for this bed, this day bed, and I've got to put that on, which is always a bit of a fight. And vacuum. Actually, it's not as bad, but you know what I mean. It's not the way I like it. So I'm going to get on with it. The cat is going nuts while I'm doing this, so just apologies all round. I don't know where to put you. Let me see. If I put you over here, you might be able to just see me quietly pottering around and tidying and doing a few things.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Look at this. I have reverted to cat TV for the cat to watch. He was riveted a minute ago, but right now he's decided he wants to see something else. But there we are. There is television for cats, I have just found. Well, that's one room tidied up. And immediately his lordship, Prince Aslan, has settled himself in because he's just watching his favourite television program. Which seems incredibly repetitive to me, but apparently it's just the thing. He loves it. Birds. Yes, it's good, isn't it? I'll change the channel when you get bored.
Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
Now, this is just an example of cat sitting. So I'm making the bed, and guess who wants to play? So, making the bed, kind of, well, he's cuter than the bed. Isn't that cute? Hello, baby. Yes? Yes? Yes. So, guess who wins? The little one wins. I will finish straightening the bed later. Yes, get it. Hello. There we go. Okay, I'll just put a few things away, and this room will be tidy, apart from the slightly wrinkly part of the bottom of the bed. But he's worth it, isn't he? Look at that wee face. And there we go, back to somewhat normal. I haven't put the cover on the duvet yet because normally it's in a duvet cover, which is the pink one. But our weather has been so strange that, quite honestly, see, I haven't put away these either. These go away with the winter sort out, and I need to put them into bags. But our weather has been so strange that we had a 30-degree day 2 days ago. The nights have still been quite warm, and then we'll get one when it goes down to 5 degrees Celsius, and it's just crazy. So we're sort of fluctuating between a 17-degree Celsius night and a 5-degree one. So nobody has any idea what to do. You know, we don't know what clothes to wear. We don't know when to switch out to our autumn, you know, from our spring-summer to our autumn-winter wardrobes and bedding and all of the rest. And this is me. I'm the same as everyone else. That's pretty much tidied, which is good. I can forget about that now. Bathroom is clean, loo is clean, they were already done. So it's just this room. She said just. Oh God, I know, I'll get there. I'm going to go through all of these things bit by bit and keep what I want and find ways to try really hard to responsibly find new homes or ways to dispose of the things that are left. Some of it will be sold. Not you, Littley. You'll go home when your mum and dad are ready to get you because they're moving. But yes, so washing's on, house is fine, and I'm back. And, sorry, I forgot to tell you, I should have told you right at the beginning. I'm going to Zambia. Yes, I'm heading to Lusaka to go and see my son and his wife and my grandbaby. So that is something I hope that you will look forward to, that I will take you, because I'm looking forward to it, and I will of course take you with me and show you a little bit of a place I have never been and never dreamed I would go to. So that's something that I hope that you will come along with me for, and subscribe and give me a like if you want to come to Zambia with me. I will be back soon, and I hope that you're having a lovely day and a beautiful Easter for those of you out there in the world for whom this is Easter weekend, and you know, it's a special holiday for many. I hope you're having a beautiful day and a beautiful week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.